Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you this super easy Easter holiday treat you can make over this Easter weekend and for your family and for your friends. Let's get started. So here I am using sweetened coconut flakes. I will pour this onto my baking sheet. Before this, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees and we will bake this for about 7 to 10 minutes until it is golden brown. Keep watching when it's in the oven to make sure that it doesn't burn, because some ovens might be hotter than others, so just keep that in mind. Here I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. I will melt this in the microwave until it's completely melted. Then pour it into my cooled coconut flakes. Mix this completely. Once this is mixed, line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and using a cookie scoop or your spoon this mixture onto the baking sheet, and also create a little nesting area on your treats so that we will fill this up with some mini M&M eggs. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now we will fill the bird nest with your mini M&M eggs and then put it in the fridge and let it completely cool down. Once it's cooled, the eggs will not fall off. Here you go, it's out of the fridge and we are ready to enjoy. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.